Congratulations, you have made it to the end of the course. The goal of this course was to create you how to make simple animations and games. As you can see on my stuff, you have sure learned how to make a lot. Now, the last thing you need to do is share the projects that you have made. You can do so two different ways. The first option is within the Scratch. So I look inside my Halloween game and I go to the upper right hand corner, and all I have to do is click on the button that says share. Now my game is shared and I can add the instructions, notes, and credits. So for example, in the instructions I can write game where a girl moves using the right and left arrow keys. Perfect! The other option for sharing is going up to the upper right top, clicking on the name of your user profile, and going to the My Stuff. Once you're in My Stuff, you can choose what you want to share. Let's share Ocean Story. So I find Ocean Story in My Stuff, and I go to the right and I click on the button that says Share. If I want to add any text, I can just click on the title that says Ocean Story to see the final product that I've shared. Here I can add the instructions. Click on the flag to begin the story. Perfect!